How to repost Instagram feed reels. If any day you are an Instagram user and you would like to repost an Instagram feed reels that you like so much but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to launch the Instagram application on your mobile device, tap on Instagram. After that, you can go to the home like icon on the downside. Now, in order to open the reel, you have to go to the reel like option that you can see in the downside. Now, you can tap on the reel that you like. You can tap on the three option on the reels, and then you can go to the option of the share like option there. After you go to the share like option there, you have to go to the option of add to story and tap on add to story. After you tap on add to story, now you can see that this very reel will be shown in your very story. Now you have to what do is you have to tap on the reel for a long time. After you tap on the reel for a long time, now what happens is it happens to a very strong like screen on your very mobile. Otherwise, you can also share it and you can just increase the very size of it. And after that, you can go to the option of share. And after you go to the option of share, this very reel will be reposted on your very story. Now, in order to repost any of the stories or in any of the reels in your account directly, what have to be done is that very person have to mention you on the very reel. Otherwise, you won't be able to do it. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.